Hello.
Yeah, hello. Uh,
Hi, Prakash. Is that how you
yes,
say your name?
yes, Prakash.
Hi, I'm Brianna. How
Yeah,
are
nice.
you?
Yeah, fine. Brianna, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from India. To be frank, in from southern part of India, Telangana
Okay,
state.
nice. Okay, what time is it there?
Somewhere around 6:30, 6:30 right now p.m.
It's 6 p.m. Is that what you
No,
said?
no, 6:30, 6:30.
6:30. Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
yeah.
Okay. Is this what you wanted to do today, the lesson plan?
So, what is the topic today?
This, it says education for
Education.
IELTS.
Okay, fine. Yeah, first for me, first let me introduce yourself and let us know each other and then move on.
Okay, yeah, sure. All right.
Yeah, because
Um,
in the video you said, let me, can you can ask me about myself. Let's speak about the topic whichever you're interested in. So I really found something like you can make me feel good to have conversation with you.
okay, yeah,
So I just,
sure. That's fine.
you
Uh,
live in Spain or USA right now?
yeah, I live in Spain right now. I'm in Madrid. Have you ever been here?
No, no, no. But in the description it says USA like Baltimore or Maryland.
Yeah, I'm from there, but I've that video is from like more than 2 years ago.
Oh my God, I saw that older video, right? Okay,
Yeah, I should probably make a new one, but I don't use Cambly that much.
sure.
Um, yeah, but
Yeah.
so I am from the US, but I moved to Spain 2 years ago.
Okay, fine. It's really good, because staying in Baltimore is worst than anything, right?
What? Staying in Baltimore is worse?
Yeah, obviously it is. It has crime rate more, right? You also know that
It has what? Sorry?
it has more crime rate, violence.
It has a higher crime rate. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but
It
I
does.
think I think that is the reason you came to Spain, right?
No, that's that's not the reason. But how did you know that? Did you look it up?
Yeah, obviously, I just curious to know the places. So, what are the which are places? I just even though I don't go there, but I just explore. What are the cities like that. But I think Baltimore. For sceneries, for seaport, it is very good. But in terms of safety, in terms of security, I think there is a gangs and criminals rule the streets. I think.
Mm, yeah. Well, I lived in the city for almost 3 years.
Safe or something. Is it
It
okay?
it's a city where you have to know what street you're on. You can't walk freely throughout the streets. That's for sure.
Okay,
But
fine. So yeah, now you are staying Spain. So I think it's really good. And
yeah,
yeah,
I,
moreover, there are also history for the Spain, right? Do you
what
remember?
is it? Sorry.
History is something it has something like you can go through. I just gone through it. It has good cost of living. Something like you can live up to. It has good standard of living. That is what I'm just want to say
A
because
good standard of living.
yeah, good standard of living.
Yeah.
For average life expectancy of in Spain is somewhere around 82 years. So that's really great. So I think you may
Did
live
you
long.
study? You studied before this
Yeah,
lesson.
of course, because in order to speak with you, I just need to your background, where are you from? So I just learned about something. But it is also opportunity to know. So because of you, I learned. Otherwise, I wouldn't even known about Spain and what are these. Yeah, I think I should thank you for that.
Yeah, well, that's pretty interesting. Did you read why Spaniards have one of is it the highest, or I mean, the longest life expectancy in the world, right?
In the world, I don't know, but it has really good amount of life expectancy. 82 is really good. 79 for men on average, and 82 is for women. So I think probably you can live easily 80 years. Don't worry.
Yeah, but do you but do you know why?
I don't know. Maybe I really don't know. I didn't search in depth, but I can know that. You can also Google right now, right away. You can just Google right away if I'm saying right.
No, no, but do you think like I guess do you have a hypothesis like why that would be? Why Spaniards would have longer lifespans?
I think the more they eat healthy food, even though yeah, I think the environment or something like yeah, maybe I think it depends
The
on
diet,
yeah, obviously
yeah.
maybe. So in the new year also, we for example, if we take Indians in the new year, we used to go to different places and have fun, chill like that. But you people, what you do? You eat grapes, right? You,
In Spain, yeah, they eat grapes
yeah,
at
am I
midnight.
correct?
Yeah, that's right. But in
Yeah.
India, what do you do for at New
In
Year's Eve?
India, we won't eat grapes. We do some things, something like we can eat, we can do lots of fun, dance, singing, and some people may even, drink alcohol. So that's really common in India during the New Year. So, but I really quite interesting because people eat grapes during, on the New Year because it brings luck to them. So yeah, by the starting of the day only you are eating healthy. So I think that's the reason why I think people are living better than us.
Maybe. Okay, you think it's the 12 grapes. Okay.
Yeah, I think
Maybe
that's
that's
it.
it.
Yeah,
Well,
anyways,
they're also getting drunk at the same time, but
yeah,
yeah.
obviously, and everybody yeah, Spain also has a lot, a lot of. It is also good. I study somewhere it has more of amount of alcohol restaurants.
Mhm. Yeah, do you know what the number one alcohol is here?
Red wine, I think so.
Everyone's what is it?
Red wine,
Nope.
white wine.
Nope. It's surprising. It's
Okay,
not wine. You would think wine, but it's not.
I know about oil is greatly produced in your city, olive oil, but I don't know about alcohol.
It's gin.
Okay, do
Gin.
you do you drink?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay,
But I was like you, I thought wine was the favorite, but it's actually gin. They love having gin and tonics here.
okay, fine.
Mhm.
And do you know that the Spain is a stapler was introduced? Stapler,
Invented the
stapler,
stapler. Stapler.
stapler. Yeah, yeah. So
Mhm.
you can go
Okay.
through it. And another thing I found is, wait, I will just look up on it. Okay, there is a very pretty famous festival like running of bulls. Do you know that? Have you heard of
Yeah.
it? 9 days festival. In a year, we celebrate this Navratri for 9 days, and in your country, I think it is for 9 days. So names are different, but festival is same. Not same, but depends on what kind. So did you celebrate that festival?
Wait, what is okay, what is the festival in India? Like what do you
Navratri,
celebrate then?
Dasara. So during now, people are Dasara. Navratri. After Navratri, we celebrate Dasara. So
It's
I've
the
come
running
across
of
it.
the bulls? I don't
No, no, no. It
understand.
is not of. I'm just saying in our during Dasara times we celebrate 9 days festival as so-called Navaratri. So similarly, running of bulls is also celebrated for 9 days. So is there any reason that I'm asking you?
Is there any reason for you guys to have the same festival?
No, no, same 9 days. So why do you celebrate for 9 days? And we
I
also
have
celebrate
no
for 9 days.
idea because I don't actually
Yeah,
worry
yeah.
about the bulls. I don't like
No, no,
that.
I'm just asking you about Spanish. So I think, and another thing I found out is it is the world's second most spoken native language. Do you agree with it?
Spanish?
Yes, Spanish is the world's second most spoken native language.
Yeah, isn't it Chinese, Spanish, English,
Yeah,
Arabic?
maybe, but
Is it Arabic?
Spanish, I think, if Spanish is somewhere have a population of million, so every year it used to get 80 million tourists. So that itself says more, twice more than the people.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's a huge tourist destination.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you
And
speak any
another,
Spanish?
no, no, I'm really not, not very good, and don't even know about Spanish also. Yeah, I think you know, right?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, it was really nice conversation. So tell me about yourself, what you like, what are your hobbies, and how did you?
What do I like? What are my hobbies? Well, I guess what do I like? I don't even know where to start with that. I'll tell you my hobbies. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy taking care of my plants. I like to draw. I like to paint. Hmm, what else is interesting that I do? I don't know. Then the normal things. I feel like I watch a lot of like Netflix. I
Okay.
practice my Spanish. What do you like to do?
So I simply, I listen to music, obviously, movies, watching movies, traveling, talking with friends, and having fun. Fun in the sense, having fun conversation with them. So because that is the only way I can let off my stress, aloneness like that.
That's the only way you can get rid of your stress is to hang out with friends.
Yeah, obviously.
Well, there are other ways to get rid of stress.
Of course, there are many
So
other
it's
ways we
not
can.
so obvious.
Yeah, yeah, we can also play. We can, yeah.
Mhm. Okay. And what do you do?
So I'm a freelancer. So I take projects and complete within the stipulated time. So I really want to have foreign clients. So for that, I think I need some more kind of advanced level of speaking. So I think that's the reason why I'm using Cambly so that I can have a chance to speak with native speakers. Yeah,
Right. And when did you start using Cambly?
I didn't understand. Pardon me.
When did
Yeah,
you
yeah,
start
yeah, I think
using?
not probably last week. I think so. I
Oh
started
wow,
using
okay, so it's new.
1 week. Yeah, I installed I think 1 month before, but I don't know how to, it takes a lot of time to know the feature something, not something like, but I didn't have money in order to do have calls because it is expensive for Indians, students like that.
Mhm. Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I think that's the reason why I'm not using for past 1 month. But so far I spoke with two clients and I mean two speakers, native speakers,
Hmm.
and I think I learned from them. And they said very well, I'm good speaking good, but you need to improve by speaking a lot more with different tutors so that they can also correct my mistakes. That's the reason why I'm going with you.
Okay, so your plan is to just go to a new tutor and do like 15 minutes with someone else every day.
Yeah, so that I can, if I do with you can correct me some more mistakes. So if I speak with another tutors, they may auto find, they may she or he might also find some mistakes in me. So that's the reason why I'm speaking. And so, do you find where I'm going, lacking or something, mistakes, or where do I need to improve, and how can I improve my communication skills? Still, so, you know,
I think I agree with the others. I think your English is great. Like you have a great level of English. The hardest thing for me so far has been that sometimes you're speaking a little too fast.
oh,
Yeah, that's all for me because you have an accent, which is normal. And if you speak really fast, it takes me a second to catch what you're saying. That's all.
fine, fine, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
But
know, I speak fast. I really don't know. Because I'm really not prepared. I'm just going with the flow, what my mind says.
yeah, no, that's great. That's great. It's only
Yeah.
happened a few times and I've asked you, and once you repeat, I
Even
understand. So,
I see some English movies. I think they speak very, slowly. So I think that. But anyways, I think I really need to improve a lot, and it's really a great time to, it's my pleasure to have on board, and speaking with you is really my pleasure.
yeah, no, it was a pleasure to speak with you.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was nice to
really.
meet you.
Yeah, fine. So
So,
yeah, by the way, you look so beautiful.
oh, thank you. But
Yeah,
maybe I'll talk to you again, or if
yeah,
not,
sure.
I wish you good
Sure.
luck with everything.
We will have a session with further. We will discuss about, various topics.
Yeah, sure. We could always do the slides,
Yeah,
the education or idols. Okay.
sure, sure. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Take care.